Hello, my friends. Today, I want to share something very special and comforting with you. It's from an ancient book called the Bible, a part called Psalm 23. It talks about God taking care of us, just like a shepherd cares for his sheep. Let's look at the first few verses together. Verse 1, the good provider. The Bible says, "The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want." What does this mean? The Lord means God. And a shepherd is someone who looks after sheep. He leads them to food, water, and keeps them safe. So, when we say the Lord is my shepherd, it means God takes care of us, just like a good shepherd takes care of his sheep. I shall not want means I will not need anything. God will give us everything important that we truly need. We won't be lacking anything. Verse 2, rest and peace. Next, it says, He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. Imagine beautiful, green fields with lots of good grass. Green pastures are places where sheep can eat well and then rest in safety and peace. God gives us places of rest and peace in our lives. Still waters are calm, quiet waters, safe for sheep to drink from. They bring life and freshness. God gently leads us to things that refresh us and give us peace. Now, let's move to the next part of this beautiful psalm. Verse 3, guidance and rightness. The psalm says, He restores my soul. He guides me in the paths of righteousness for His name's sake. He restores my soul? When sheep are tired or hurt, the shepherd makes them strong again. This means God gives us new strength when we feel tired or sad. He helps us feel well inside, in our spirit. He guides me in the paths of righteousness. A path is a way or a road. Righteousness means doing what is good and right. God shows us the good way to live and guides our choices. For His name's sake means we do these good things because we follow God, and it honors Him. Verse 4, facing fear. Finally, for today, the psalm says, "Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me." This is a very powerful part. The valley of the shadow of death sounds scary. It means a very difficult, dark, or dangerous time in life. It could be a time of great trouble, sadness, or even facing death itself. But even in these hard times, I will fear no evil. Why? Because, for you are with me. God is always close to us. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. A shepherd uses a rod to protect his sheep from danger and a staff, a long stick with a hook, to guide them and pull them out if they get stuck. These show God's protection and guidance. Knowing God protects us makes us feel safe and comforted. So, remember these words: God is our shepherd. He takes care of us, gives us rest, guides us in good ways, and protects us, even when times are very hard. We don't need to be afraid because He is always with us. I hope these verses bring you comfort and peace today. Thank you for listening.